Okay, so there's several animals that we own, but only a few of them I've everybody knows the ones I do own. But there is one I have never shown anybody actually. And here it is. That happens to be a cockatiel, which was obtained, I believe, 2 years ago. And it formerly lived in Ohio, where my grandma bought it for me. He doesn't know any tricks, really. I mean, he can whistle, but that's about it. Though he isn't very obedient. Oh, and he scratches. We're not very good. He's got a sign as well. And food. And this is what he eats. Interesting, right? Well, that concludes my segment. Oh yes, and I would like to include something. There's a video, I'm not going to point any fingers, episode 2, Andy Dinger, that revolves around the energy drink Monster. Very incorrect. That's all I have to say about it. Very incorrect.